Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to open and run any public GitHub repo from Visual Studio Code and CodeSandbox. So let's start first onto opening this onto Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, we're currently onto GitHub repo in here. And for us to be able to open the Visual Studio Code or the online editor for this, as you can see, if we head here onto the upper part, we could see its URL. So we're going to change something in here. Instead of .com, let's change that one with .dev. So this will open the web online editor for GitHub, and that is just like the Visual Studio Code that we have in here. As you can see, it is setting up the web editor. We'll just have to wait for this one. And as you can see in here, it has opened the file and it has opened the Visual Studio Code or the online Visual Studio Code that GitHub offers. Now, let's try out to open the CodeSandbox as well. So for us to be able to do that, we'll just need to edit the URL again for this. Beside GitHub in here, let's add in box. And then right after, let's give this one back with .com. So this is what it should look like. Click on to enter, and then it will go ahead and load this sandbox onto your browser. And as you can see, it has loaded already this sandbox or CodeSandbox editor wherein you could go ahead and make some changes onto the code. And that is just basically it on how you open and run any public GitHub repo from Visual Studio Code and CodeSandbox. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.